what's up? What's going on, everybody? Joe here, 690 ADB. Here's your tip for Tuesday. This is something that I always keep in my jacket, almost always. I'll have it up in one of my top pockets just so that it's handy and it's close by so I can get to it at any given time, or put it down in my tank bag into my bike. This comes in handy. It doesn't matter if you are on a day trip, if you're on a weekend trip, or if you're on a full-blown adventure. If you ride, you should probably have this, and if you do ride quite a bit, you probably do have it. And what do I mean? Chapstick or beeswax. Beeswax works really, really good, especially out in Colorado and in the desert areas. I'm telling you, chapstick or moisturizer for your lips or up underneath your eyes or around your nose, I'm telling you, they can get dried out and cracked, and it gets awful, and your lips can get completely chapped up. It's not much fun when you're riding. That means you got to go full shield down most of the time to keep the wind and stuff off of your face. So think about putting some chapstick in your arsenal so that way you can keep that stuff all moist up so that you don't chap out. That's your tip in 2 minutes or less on Tuesday. You guys have a fantastic day.